General Chiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association, to the people's defenders and the patriots of Zimbabwe. The General Chiwenga Voluntary Supporters Association stands firm in full support of the people's call to action on 31 March 2025. Sanabda mashoko atakuona kuti aiwa panapa vakomana aiwa ma-voluntary supporters egeneral voya vachiti aiwa isusu we are going to be kuside aiwa kwema-citizens, we are not going to sell out. Sanabda mashoko abudanyorwa panapa toba subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tiendera mberi vanobudanyora chiti this is not a day of recklessness but a day of decisive movement by Zimbabweans who refuse to be ruled by fear, deceit, and trickery. The time for tyranny is over. The hour for accountability is now. The enemy is shaken. We are fully aware of the Home Affairs Ministry's planned press conference tomorrow, an attempt to intimidate the people with hollow threats, lawfare, and brute force. Let it be clear, the people will not be intimidated by recycled rhetoric or empty posturing, no force on earth that can stop a determined people. Furthermore, we preempt and categorically expose the treasonous move to deploy mercenaries imported from Sierra Leone, assigned with the heinous mission of eliminating General Chiwenga. The foreign interference in our national affairs is an act of war. We warn those involved, your names are known, your movements tracked, and your betrayal of Zimbabwe will be met with the full consequences. To the police and the military personnel, remember your oath is to Zimbabwe, not to a rogue regime. Any orders to harm unarmed civilians on March 31 are unlawful, and we will not be forgotten. Those who serve the people's cause will be honored in history. Those who choose to be enforcers of oppression will answer for their crimes. To the brave masses, 31 March is a day of destiny. Move in unity, move in discipline, move without fear. Your safety is paramount, and we are confident that the people's will shall not be broken. The regime's days are numbered, and those who think they can rule through poisoning, mercenaries, and violence will soon face the people's judgment. We stand with the people. We stand with the General Chiwenga. Zimbabwe will rise forever. Victory is certain. Thomas muri kuona ari in this address yamuri kuona aiwa iriwo crafted nokumana vari kuzviti ma-voluntary supporters ageneral. Muridze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi chatiri kuti aiwa vakomana ava vatori serious vari kutoda. Ndina comment section medu dzemafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.